Hi students, welcome. In this video, we will walk through how to access your course materials in the Cyber Square LMS. First, open the Cyber Square LMS. Enter your admission number as your username and enter your password. Then click Login. After logging in, click on My Course. Here you can see all the course materials shared by your teacher. For example, if you are a grade 2 student, you will find your Cyber Square textbook here. Click Start to open the textbook. Inside the course you can access PowerPoint presentations, practice, questions, other learning materials. Let's open the first PowerPoint. To move to the next slide, simply click on the slide or use the next arrow. Click the three dots to see options like autoplay, full screen, etc. After completing the slides, go to the Questions section. For a match the following question, simply drag each answer and place it next to the matching item on the left side. After matching all the answers, click Submit. If your answer is correct, you'll see a congratulations message along with your marks. Then move on to the next question. For multiple choice questions, select the correct answer and click Submit. You can also see your learning progress increasing as you complete each activity. Now move on to the next question. For a fill in the blank question, simply type your answer in the answer box and click Submit. Similarly, you can access all the other materials shared by your teacher. At the end of each module, you'll find a Notes section. Here you can view the answers to the textbook exercises. This is how you can access and complete your course materials in the Cyber Square LMS. Thank you for watching and happy learning.